Open by, I'm doing a virtual and by appointment open house in Hermosa Beach. I am at 231 29th Street in Hermosa Beach. It means 200 block, which is just up from the 100 block, which is just up from the beach, if you're not familiar. And I thought I'd start with the top floor. This is a 3-floor, what we call reverse floor plan, which means that the top is on the bottom. And so the top is where the living area is. This is the kitchen, and there's kind of a family room here right behind me. And then the way back in the middle is a formal dining room and then a living room. Bedrooms are on the middle level. And then downstairs is another bedroom, laundry room, and another family room and a patio that goes out front. Kind of fun. 3-stop elevator, which is a big deal because it means if you're old like me and you have knee problems, then an elevator helps you work the 3 floors much better than the stairs. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna turn this around and let's just go look outside on this back deck. This is what we call a street to alley lot because there's the alley and there's the Pacific Ocean. Got little views up there. Down there, it's lovely, sunshiny. The boats, that stop sign is, the cars are going by, that is Manhattan Ave. And you can see the lifeguard tower just straight down below that palm tree to the left. See it? All right, so it's got a nice kind of an entertaining barbecue deck up here. Let's just start with the best part and then just go to the blah blah bedrooms. You know, bedrooms are bedrooms. Big, huge kitchen. We've got hardwood floors, marble tops, Viking 48-inch 6-burner, and side-by-side refrigerator and freezer. The powder room right here. A couple steps down, watch your step. You did great. There's the elevator, 3 stops. That means it stops up here, it stops in the middle where the bedrooms are, and it stops on the ground floor where the garage is and entry. So if you want to bring your groceries up the stairs, you can. And if you want to bring your groceries up in the elevator, you can do that too. Here's another patio. This is south facing. There's the Palos Verdes Peninsula. And that lovely AES steaming terrible power plant that just got sold and hopefully will be gone in the next few years. Beautiful views down 29th. Now 29th is a one-way street, which really cuts down on the traffic. And I mean, there are people crawling around here, and there is parking right here. You do need a permit in the summertime. That's why they're not parking. It's a lovely awning here. I don't have it out, but I could. The wind isn't too bad. All right, so you got 2 fireplaces on this level. If you stand at this fireplace, you can look at that fireplace. See what I mean? And we kind of walk by the dining. When I say we, I mean me. Yeah, that's cool. Let's go downstairs. Whoa, turning. All right, as gently as possible. Turning the corner. Watch your head. Oh, jeez, that hurt. All right, so here we are on mid-level. Let's go in here. First one is master. And got a little seating area here with some windows, grabbing that ocean view. If you sit right here, you could just plop and read and look at the ocean. That's not too bad. Watch your head, Daryl. That's a low fan. Jetted tub, steam shower for several. Double sinks to my right. WC, no big deal. Big closet with a window that opens. All built-ins. Yeah, we like that. So there's it's very similar to the kitchen. Got travertine on the floor and granite on the tops. Elevator to my right, just past. Here's this is the library, darling. Little desk, office area. This was built in 2007. It's 3,650 square feet. So here's bathroom 2 in this level. Bedroom, hi. Bathroom 3 on this level, plus the powder upstairs. There's 4 bedrooms. I lost my signal. How are you doing? You live nearby?
No, we live in the desert.
Oh.
That's out of our price range.
Our daughter lives the next street over, though.
Oh, okay.
I like your 3.899, though. That's an interesting number.
Yeah, we do the interesting numbers here, it seems. Well, welcome back from the desert. I know you're going to hate to go back. Lost my signal there. Indoors. There's the outside. Yes. Very nice. Let's go back in and see if we can maintain our signal. When I say we, I mean you. Those are people from the desert, Palm Desert. And they say the same thing that mostly everybody says who doesn't live anywhere near here. They're like, how much is it? Here's that second family room. Little step down. Hi, Glenna. And got a little below grade patio right here with, oh darn it, ocean views. Blech. I'm using sarcasm there. All right. Kind of got a little nice little bar, dishwasher, full-on Bosch sink, wine fridge. That is not going to be enough for me. Whatever. Closet, elevator, bathroom number 4. So there's 4.5 baths. Bedroom number 4, and the laundry room. Stepping back up to the 2-car garage. I know it's a garage. Boring. All right, so we did top to bottom, and the top is much better than the middle and the bottom. But this is what we're living here for, is that, and just walk down there, across Manhattan Ave. The next street down is Hermosa Ave, and then that white house is at the very end of the street. That house is on the Strand. So let's count houses, can we? Maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 or 15 houses, maybe 16, somewhere in there. It's a sparkly blue ocean. This is 231. Look at 19th Street in Hermosa Beach. 3 stories, 3.899. Thanks for coming.